Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change or how to customize the alarm ringtone in this device. For this, open the clock application, and from here you can easily select any alarm that you want to change the alarm ringtone. Otherwise you can create a new alarm, then you can easily change the alarm ringtone. So simply here I am going to create an alarm. Tap on the plus button. So here you can see the option ringtone. Tap on this one. Then you can see classic themes and aquamorphic themes, and from here you can select the inbuilt ringtones, alarm ringtones. Now you can see the ringtone is delayed. So here I am going to change the alarm ringtone. You can see. Now you can see the alarm ringtone is changed. Same this way you can select a ringtone, alarm ringtone from the aquamorphic themes also. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So if you want to set a ringtone, that means if you want to customize the ringtone that you downloaded to a device, tap on the option on this device and it will directly go to the file where you download the MP3 file. And from here you can easily select the ringtone. So here I am going to select this one. Yeah, I select this one. Now go back. Now you can see alarm ringtone is changed. So simply in this way you can change or customize the alarm ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.